Okay guys, I thought I would show you just a little bit here. This dog absolutely hates when I weld. She bites the sparks and goes crazy. Sometimes bumps my cable or my stinger and knocks me out of position. She doesn't like the sparks. I'm just building a little bit of a belt tensioner here for my mower deck. And so I just got a spot welded nut on here a little bit and make a little test run here, and then I'll weld it. We'll see what she does today. I'm gonna make just a can of penetrating oil out of the way a little bit. Be careful. You're going to get burnt. Get out of the way. Watch out. I don't know if you can see that or not. She was really not liking those sparks. Okay, just a little bit here, guys, to finish up. So this is the adjustment. I had one made here and it got froze up and broke. I took another one. This bolt goes through the bracket here. And then so when we loosen this bolt up and tighten this one up here, I've got an old socket welded on it. You can screw it in and out, and that'll move this whole pulley assembly back and forth. Loosen and tighten the belt. So just a simple little fix for that, and we'll see how it works.